So this is recording from the Motorola Razr 2023, and this is a low light situation, shooting this in 4K 30 frames, and I am in between a dark place and a lit place. In this particular place you can see there's light from the buildings. There is some dynamic range, but it does suffer from noise performance, ISO noise performance, I would have to say. Dynamic range is still not quite as good as some devices. As we pan across and we tilt up, not bad, but still usable though. But you can see there's some noise. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm ThePandaPhotographer. This is another recording. This time we are in 1080p 60, and the low light just suffered even much more. And now it just crushed the blacks and the shadows are not there. There's not a lot of dynamic range in my opinion. But as you can see, as we tilt up, compared to the 4K footage, so this is shot in 4K 30. We can't choose for some reason our frame rate. Not sure what's going on here on this device, but as you can see there's a lot of noise, but dynamic range is good. This is still usable compared to the 1080p footage that was shot. So just to show you guys comparison between the two on the Motorola Razr 2020. Now we are recording with the 5 times wide as we were using in 4K the normal, and you can see there's some focusing issues with shooting video in this format and with this particular wide angle. This is the quality coming from the Motorola Razr 2023 in low light. So thank you everyone for watching. Appreciate it, guys. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Now this is shot in 1080p, everyone, with the wide angle, and as you can see the wide angle gave it more light, more noise, so you can see a little bit better, more dynamic range. You can see some cloud cover compared to the 1 times normal zoom camera. Now you can see the buildings, the lights are overblown out. There's some, yeah. But you can see where you are. You can see the direction of the flow, where houses and buildings and structures are now. It's more visible. But with that said, this is a bonus. This is a 4K HDR 10 plus video, which what it does is basically crops in 1 times to the normal zoom lens or the normal standard optical focal length, which is 1 times, and apparently in low light it does a pretty mediocre job. I don't see anything crazy about it. What are you guys saying? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am testing these Bowie cables still, and I have 3 devices charging at this moment. So I am recording this on the Motorola Razr 2023 device in 1080p just give you guys context, and just want to see the quality from this video. That it's not that great, but I want to just document this, okay? So with that said, everyone, you can see that I'm charging the S21 Plus, the iPhone 11 Pro Max, the S22. I had to use an anchor adapter on the micro port, and it still works. You can see the LED lights are indicating that it's still charging. It's at 93%. I'm using these Type-C adapter ports that I got on Amazon. Definitely pick these up if you want to be using SSDs on the iPhone 11 Pro. iPhone 15 Pro and Max or Ultra. I am using the Ray Power 60 watt. So it is plugged in 1 watt, but it is drawing 10 watts each. Pretty sure. But it's a smart chip cable. Let it do its work, and it's been very phenomenal lately. So I'm not going to be utilizing the 65 fast charger because the ports work differently on this device or wall charger. But on this one, it's 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So if I'm plugging this up into here, it's using something. It's probably distributing 10, 10, 10 or 7.5 watts or 5.5 watts. This might be distributing 7.9 watts. This might be distributing maybe 6 to 5 watts. Who knows? But alright, ladies and gentlemen, I am recording this on the Moto Razr 2023 and 1080. I think it's 30 or 60. I don't know, man. It doesn't give you an option. It only gives you an option to change the 9x16 and 4K 30, I think. But with that said, this is the regular 1x camera. I'm going to switch it to the wide angle so you guys can see the quality. Now I own the wide angle, everyone, and as you can see, it's good enough. It works, but I'm seeing some lag on this phone when I'm shooting video. Lots of it, actually. It's not very smooth, in my opinion, so you guys take it with a grain of salt. Quality looks great in 1080p, don't get me wrong, but it could be better, Motorola. I am now shooting this in the wide in 4K now. As you can see, the quality is good during the daytime, but low light, it just suffers so badly. But still, even in the daytime, there's some clipping, there's some highlights blown out. Colors are washed out, not vibrant. But with that said, everyone, now this is in 4K 30 with the 1x on the Moto Razr 2023. You can see that the colors popped a little more when switching from lids or center. Start to notice that. Pay attention to the orange and the reds and the blues. So with that said, everyone. Alright everybody, this is ThePandaPhotographer, and this is the Moto Razr 2023 and 2024, and this is my first 48 hours hands-on. This is a very good foldable flip phone. I'm glad that Motorola brought back the flip phone nostalgia in 2024 or 2023, you should say. This phone has only been out for a few months, and mind you, I only had it for 48 hours, and it has been phenomenal, everybody. What disappoints me is the video quality. It does disappoint when it comes to the photo quality. It does shine a little bit here and there. In low light situations, if you use the right mode, like night mode, you can get the best quality from this device. But economically wise, it fits in your pocket, it fits well, it charges fast, it lasts half of the day because I'm a power user, so bring a power bank. But other than that, everybody, display is pretty good.